we're going in for number 3. This one's going to be dripping. Oh yeah, baby. Look at that. Okay. Just trying to dab that off a little bit. Here's number 4. You see the coils are pretty wet. Not. Number 3 is in particular the worst at this point. And number 4 soaked. So that will be why this engine isn't starting. There are the plugs.